Hello, my name is Glennceria and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 30. Wow. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 30. Well, before we get into this video, just let me say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. Let's get into this video. We still working on our shower steamer series, so come on, let's make some more shower steamers. Okay, we have our featured soap of today. The featured soap of today is Orange Delight. I went into my art guides to get this one out. This is a very old soap here, guys. Orange Delight is dead sea salt and bentonite clay with sweet orange essential oil. This is an Artisan spa bar because it's made with dead sea salt. And we are going to make some of these bars, okay? And the ingredients is as follows: coconut oil, shea butter, argan oil, avocado, jojoba, rose keratin clay, sweet orange essential oil, glycerin and vitamin E, and rose keratin clay. Beautiful. And bentonite clay with dead sea salt. All right. And there's actually 2 bars in here. I don't know if you can see that. All right. Soap of the day. All right, so let's get into it, guys. Here, I already have it sifted out. We have 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of citric acid. We also have a pinch of orange bath bomb colorant. We are making sweet orange essential oil. We are using sweet orange essential oil, and the name of this shower steamer is called Sunny Days. This is Sunny Days, okay? Look at that. Let me bring you down. There we go. You don't want to see my face. I want you to see that. Nice little light peachy color. Sunny Days. We can make it a little darker if we like, but like I said, I don't like using all the colorants and stuff. This is going to dissolve in your tub. We just wanted to make sure it has just a little color. I think it's nice. Let's leave it just the way it is. We also have 1 tablespoon of essential or fragrant oil. And with us, it's essential oil, sweet orange. All right, time to get my hands dirty. Let's bring our mold in, and let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, keep moving towards your goal. Let me say that again. The quote of today is, keep moving towards your goals. Whatever goals that may be, you keep continuing to reach for them and strive for them, okay? See, you gotta feel it. All right, so it's still dry. So what I'm going to do is just add a few drops of water, little bit at a time. You don't want to rush this. You want to get it to where it can stay in a shape in your hand once you squeeze it. And we're almost there. I just needed a little bit more. It's kind of dry. And you want to get that consistency. And I'm going to show you because we're there. We're almost there. Few dry spots. But you don't want to overdo it. I think that'll be doing it. Let's see. See that? That's what you want to see. See how that crunches out? That's exactly how you want it. Now you know it's going to stay in your mold. All right? You can always add more. I think that's a good start. So let's take our mold. Remember, we use our bath bomb molds. Only the half. You only need 1/2 of it. Press. Nice and firm. Press it all in there. Let's go over some things that you must know about shower steamers. Shower steamers are used in showers only. You can also put them into your garbage disposal, but you cannot use them in the tub as a bath bomb. This is not a bath bomb, okay? This is a shower steamer. This helps you with aromatherapy if you're sick, if you want to wake up. Any reason at all you need to want to go to sleep, you can use heavenly lavender. So I make all different scents. I have Feel Better. I believe the name is going to be Feel Better. And that's with menthol crystals. We have Mother Earth that has eucalyptus and rosemary in it. Now we are making Sunny Days, which has sweet orange essential oils, okay? And then from there, I think we're gonna go on to Lemon to My Lime, which would be lemongrass essential oil. All right, so you compact it in there, nice and firm, the whole half. And then you just keep going. I'll show you the next one as soon as I can get it in my hand. There you go. Very easy. Very easy, easy recipe. I decided to give y'all my recipe. And if you don't want to make them, I will have them listed in my Etsy shop, okay? You can buy them. There we go. There you go. See that? Look how pretty that is. And that's how it looks. Now we just let them sit for 24 hours. Let them just dry out and get nice and hard. That's all you need to do. Nice, pretty color, right? Just looking at that wakes me up. Nice, nice color. All right, get it in there. Pack it in there nice. Pack it in there nice. You want nice shaped shower steamers. There you go. All right, pack them in there good. I'll let you see the underside. Isn't that beautiful? All right, and keep going. So far we have 4. So let's see how many we can make. So far we have 4. Okay, so what are y'all going to do today? Today is Wednesday. What are y'all going to do? Wednesday, hump day, almost there. The weekend's almost here. Well, hey, the New Year's almost here, right? Forget about the weekend. The New Year is almost here. Wow, it's crazy. 2021. Wow. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what's in store for me this year, you know? I know I have a lot of goals. Did y'all look at my vision board video, part 1 and 2? Go check out my vision board video. So you see my goals and my aspirations for the coming year and what I'm going to continue to do. As far as myself and my own personal goals and my YouTube goals with my family, my YouTube family. So go check out my videos and tell me what do you think about them and my goals. Because they there. All right. I believe we're going to make one more. Yep, one more. And I need just a tinge of water. Just a tinge. Okay. Is that gonna make it? Let's see if that's gonna make it. Good to the last drop, guys. Good to the last drop. Oh, half of one. I'll keep that one for myself. Because that didn't make a full one. So I'll keep that one for myself or give it away. I can also do a giveaway for that one. Matter of fact, let's put it in the smaller one. There you go. We'll put it in the smaller one. There you go. That can be like a little sample, right? Little sample. And I think I can do that one more time. I have the stuff all over the place. It's messy, but it's okay. They're worth it. Believe me, they're worth it. There you go. I was able to make another one. See that? The soap of today was Orange Delight, which is a dead sea salt bar, which I believe we will be making them in a couple of months. We're going to make, okay? A couple of videos. We'll make some dead sea salt spa bars, salt bars. Well, that's what they are. They're full of salt. And they're excellent bars. I want you to know that. Okay. All right, let me clean up and I'll bring you right back. All right, so we're back. Remember, the quote of today is keep moving towards your dreams. The soap of today was Orange Delight, Dead Sea Salt Spa Bar. And then we have the star of the show, our Sunny Days shower steamers. And I tell you, they smell so good. Well, we did it, guys. Y'all have a great day, okay? Love you so much. I truly do appreciate you. Love you. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video. Happy Vlogmas Day 30. Bye, guys.